Hello friends, welcome back to the new series of the JSON Server tutorial. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So what do you mean by the JSON Server tutorial? So JSON Server is a lightweight open source tool that allows you to quickly create a RESTful API with CRUD like create, read, update and delete operations for your data using the JSON file as a database. It's handy tool for the front-end developers, testers, anyone who needs a simple API for the prototyping or mocking data without setting up the full-fledged backend server. In this tutorial, we will introduce you to a JSON server and guide you through the process of setting it up, creating a JSON file to act as your database, performance, basic CRUD operations on your data. By the end of the tutorial, you should good understanding how to use the JSON server to create the mock API for your projects. Overall, whenever you require a mock API for your projects, whether it's to be Android, iOS, front-end developers, okay? So sometimes like CRUD operation, like whether you want to add, delete, update, or post the data or pagination, searching, sorting, such kind of functionality you want, and you don't want to go with the backend server to complete that one and give me the REST API, you can use the JSON server, okay, as a package, and they will provide you the rest of the endpoints so that you can integrate in your application and make your project as a dummy without the use of the backend server. Then it will, when the APIs will be come up, then you can integrate that one. Okay, so it will just giving you the mock data. Okay, make sure it is used to quickly create a RESTful API with CRUD operations for your data using the JSON file as a database. Okay, or it's a mocking data without setting up the full-fledged backend server. So this is how we are going to learn in the coming series, like what is JSON server, how we are going to implement this one, what are the endpoints, how to use this in your project. We are going to learn in the coming series. So this is the introduction part. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.